Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add products from CJ Dropshipping, which looks something like this, and you're going to add them to your Shopify store automatically. So let's get into it. You need to jump into the App Store, which you can access from the left hand side panel, and you're going to tap on all recommended apps, and there will be a Shopify App Store link right at the bottom. Alternatively, you can jump into apps.shopify.com. It'll take you to the same place. Now up in the top, you're going to go to the search bar and you're going to type in CJ Dropshipping. You'll see that it'll come up as a suggestion, and you're going to look for the app. Now over here, it does say that it is free to install. We're going to tap on that. On the left hand side, we're going to tap on install. And over here, we just need to give permission. We are now going to authorize this email address for this account connection. And here we're going to tap on confirm. Now this is possible because I am already logged in here, so it is already recognized that I have an account. And now it's opened up CJ Dropshipping. Over here it says authorization success, and it's pretty simple from here. What you're going to go ahead and do is look for products. So let's go ahead to the search bar and just type in sneakers. And we're going to hit the enter key and we're going to look for sneakers. And as you can see, there are a bunch of products here. And as you put your cursor over that product, you will see over here that there is a list option. And then there is an add to my products option. You're going to go ahead now and tap on the product that you would like to add to your Shopify store. And if you navigate down to the bottom of this page, you will see a connect button. Now, if this is your first time doing so, you will have to connect your store in this area here. So all you can see here is the select store, and we're going to just go ahead and click on that. Now, if you have opened up CJ Dropshipping through your Shopify store, then you will see that this is your unique store ID. You're going to click on that ID and you're going to tap on sync, and you can just say confirm. Now, as it did say, it will take a while, but for now you can see that it says it's successful, and you can go back to your Shopify store, and this may take a few seconds to refresh. But once you go into products, you will see that that product has now been added into your catalog over here. Now, if this was helpful, go ahead and explore our channel. We've got tons of awesome Shopify content to help you grow your online business. We'll see you over there. Peace.